দীপ প্রজ্বলনের পর এবার শপথ বাক্য পাঠ।
I solemnly pledge myself before God.
I solemnly pledge myself before God.
And in the presence of this assembly.
And in the presence of this assembly.
To pass my life in purity.
To pass my life in purity.
And to practice my profession faithfully.
And to practice my profession faithfully.
I will abstain from.
I will abstain from.
Whatever is deleterious and mischievous.
Whatever is deleterious and mischievous.
And will not.
And will not.
Take or knowingly administer.
Take or knowingly administer.
Any harmful drug.
Any harmful drug.
I will do.
I will do.
All in my power.
All in my power.
To maintain and elevate.
To maintain and elevate.
The standard of my profession.
The standard of my profession.
And will hold in confidence.
And will hold in confidence.
All personal matters committed to my keeping.
All personal matters committed to my keeping.
And all family affairs coming to my knowledge.
And all family affairs coming to my knowledge.
In the practice of my calling.
In the practice of my calling.
With loyalty.
With loyalty.
I will endeavor.
I will endeavor.
To aid the physician in his work.
To aid the physician in his work.
And devote myself.
And devote myself.
To the welfare of those.
To the welfare of those.
Committed to my care.
Committed to my care. Molino